Here we are going to guide you about Halki Diabetes Remedy Book Review by Eric Whitfield, the best and legit natural, herbal, quick, latest cure treatment. Halki Diabetes Remedy is an all-natural 21-day program for killing type 2 diabetes and to repairing the damage disease has created. It's one of the unique methods that more focus on getting decent nutrition into your diet to combat the toxins that have been associated with causing type 2 diabetes. By fighting these toxins, you're able to modify and repair your health. There's no magic tablet to take or old yoga stretches to do, just particular ingredients that have the ability to repair your body. Halki Diabetes Remedy explains these ingredients and gives you recipes that make it easy for you to control the benefits of this natural alternative to modern medication. What is the Halki Diabetes Remedy book about? Might be you know that half of the Americans spends billions of dollars on insulin, care and diabetes medications every year, according to research. Though type 2 diabetes is still a dangerous epidemic, so one might claim that the modern-day medications only work as a group aid as opposed to a solution. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 21-day program that guides you with natural ways to handle the root problem of type 2 diabetes, the toxins that are more prominent in today's world. These toxins are seen in your home, in your diet, in your clothes, air, cleaners, cooking appliances and much more. They're unavoidable, but there are many elements you can add into your diet plan to fight the effects of these toxins. By doing so, you can reduce type 2 diabetes and the damage it has caused. Share this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe us for more.